Alright guys, so I'm going to do a capsule size comparison for you guys. This is a fish oil that is a high EPA, and it's really neat in the way that, take a look at this. This is what, that's French, this is the English. So the EPA content in this is 1,000. It's actually the highest I've ever seen, so let's open this up. I'm wondering if these are like huge pills, so let's double check. So this is the size of the pill, so they're pretty large. Probably slightly bigger than what you regularly find, but not that bad. Alright guys, if you have any questions or comments, post them below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.